that was utter insanity to try to go to the popular hikes. So we just pulled off and we found a hike, Route 9 and 9A, by these cheese caves, which are also very crowded, and we're just gonna go down it. Woo! Not bad, this little hike.
Should bring one back to you.
Look. See? Oh yeah.
I don't know if it's a hazelnut.
Are they hazelnuts? They look pretty weird.
I don't know, we should take a picture of it. We'll look it up online and see what the heck it is.
We found a place where someone's storage is in a cave. At one point this road may have been tiled.
I think way back, they tiled the roads way back.
Or
this may have been
some pottery fell off a cart.
No, could be.
We have now acquired walking sticks given to us from the forest. You got quite the big walking stick, man. It's a weapon. She's throwing rocks to make the leaves fall into this chasm. There goes a leaf. Whoa! He's throwing rocks at us. We made it to some empty fields. I think this path continues to a town, but we are going to turn back.
Did you see all those leaves falling, Katie?
There's lots of leaves falling. Dozens of horses all coming up this crazy curvy road. Teasing the young horse.
Here you go, baby. Good baby. Yeah.
We're staying right over the hill from the cemetery, so we decided to come check it out. It is quite nice, all the big family mausoleums. They all say Descansa in paz. Alright, Nash's attempt at pouring cider. Whoa! There we go. That's about all you want.
Pretty good. Oh, there it is.
It's cheap, so if you spill, it's not much money down the drain.
There it is. That's good.
Higher, dude. You gotta. What are you doing?
It's a fail. I'm wet.
Oh God. That's it.
Okay.
It's much worse than that.